Hi, my name is Tori Davis and I'm the Student Council President for Merryhill Midtown. Now, once a month we're going to start doing something called Give Back to Our Community. And what this means is that once a month, parent, volunteers, and students are going to go down to our commons and we are going to make paper bag lunches. These lunches include a sandwich, a drink, a fruit, and a snack, and a little note from our students. Now, it's important as students and as a school that we do this because we need to learn to give back to our community because it's important that we have these life lessons for future events.